Okay, so continue. So sieve number 2. So basically, the bottom line, the simple, like the way you're going to meet the Judge Williams, the anti-Semites, so that the same way, unfortunately, just be ready to meet HaShem. That's it. Nobody is going to go to Judge Williams with sweatpants and without socks. Nobody, I promise. He's going to kick him out and curse him and his mother, and he's in the bad, very bad standing with the laws from then on. So at least if we understand that a minimum of respect should be given to HaShem, that's would be amazing. Okay, so sieve number 2. It is proper to give charity before praying. As the verse in Tehillim 17:15 states, I shall behold your face through charity. So very nice. So let's see the commentary and we're going to explain. The word Tzedaka is understood in this context as referred to Tzedaka. I'm sorry. The word Tzedaka referred like this charity, referred to Tzedaka, charity. We can thus learn from this verse that it is proper to behold the face of HaShem, that is to pray, while having given charity. Some communities have a custom to give charity during Psuki de Zimra, as in the middle of Vayivorach David. So I'm going to explain, right? And David blessed upon the reaching the verse, right? Ve'ata mo'isheil bakoil, and you rule over everything. So there is in our Sidurim, it's closer to the end of the Psuki de Zimra. There is a place. So and Hashem bless David with everything. So to give a small coin, whatever you, it doesn't have to be dollar. You have 5 cents, throw 5 cents.
Question: What about, let's say, what if you during Davening you just set aside money for charity, not actually, let's say put it in a.
Okay, that's good enough. So because for example, where I pray, there is a pushka in a certain place, like in the middle of the shul, and everybody would walk. So sometimes I'm a little behind for whatever reason. So I would do exactly you said. When I'm going to get the break, whatever, so I'm going to give the charity. Otherwise, if I walk even this 15 seconds, I'm going to fall behind. So you put it aside, even mentally, that I'm planning to do. That's good enough. Okay, continue. One should also accept upon himself before each prayer to fulfill the commandment: "You shall love your fellow as yourself." As Vayikra 19:19 states. Okay, very nice. All right. And direct his heart to love every one of the Jewish people as he loves himself. Okay. Of course, we can speak a lot about it. So it's all of the Jewish people, and it says your fellow. And who is your fellow? Fellow in the mitzvahs, the one who shomer Torah and mitzvahs. Okay. Because if God forbid, there is a division between the hearts of the Jewish people below on earth, then correspondingly there is also no unity among the souls of the Jewish people above in heaven. But unity between the physical beings of the Jewish people below causes the unity connection between their souls in heaven. So that this it's very important idea. So whatever is going on with us, right? Even though it came from above, it's only like mirrored from whatever came from us up there. So we project there, and it projects back to us. Okay, that's how the things work. And through this, their prayer also become unified when they try to love all of the Jews. And then when their prayer will, and then when their prayers are all combined together in one unifying prayer, the prayer finds favor with HaShem. May His be blessed. May His name be blessed, which is unbelievable. I mean, it's not easy, but at least we can try and find if it's a kosher Jew, and all of the people go to different struggles in their life, and they different temptation and what is laughable for me. For him, it's like mission impossible, and what for me is mission impossible, for him it's laughable. So we have to judge everybody, unless he's Rasha and you try to rebuke him and again and again, and he's doing, and he's like that. That's a different story. Okay, so let's see. Go ahead.
Let's say he does mitzvahs, but he jokes about the mitzvahs. Is he considered as your brother in mitzvahs or no?
That's I mean it's a very serious question. So I have to look at it like how exactly why he's joking. Because like in intentions of the mitzvahs is very important. So I give you one example that we learned yesterday. So it says that when somebody like doing the mitzvah but with a heavy heart, meaning that I cannot believe I have to do this. But he does it like he prays. He says every word. He does birchas hamazon. He does everything correctly, 100%. But he sees it as a waste of time. Instead of this birchas hamazon, I'm losing this 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I would better be like I'm going to be late and stuff like that. So he's getting the reward for the mitzvah for sure, but it's very small reward. So the biggest.
Does he still get reward? Because as you said, now he does it because we'll say it this way: doesn't he kind of regret doing the mitzvah, so he doesn't get reward at all, or no?
It's not a regret of doing the mitzvah. I know exactly what he's trying to say. So it's only after the fact. So it's if I would not eat this bread, if I would not say birchas hamazon, I would be on time for a bus, let's say. That's a regret. He was the mitzvah in this case.
Question.
But in this case, so he's unhappy. So in some sense, he can simply easily overstep the boundary and regret. Absolutely. Yeah. Okay.
Is it an avera for someone to think, listen, I have enough food, but we'll say it this way. Let's say he says, I have enough food. The piece of bread looks good. I would eat the piece of bread if I didn't have to do such a good birchas hamazon, but I decide not to because of the long bracha. Now, is that an avera or no?
Could you say that?
Let's say one is at breakfast. He has 6 eggs on his plate. Okay.
6 eggs, yeah.
And he says, these 6 eggs are good. I'm going to be full, but I want a little bit more. Not because I'm full, because I want some more taste. So I want this piece of bread. Okay. But instead, I won't have this piece of bread because I don't want to make 4 extra brachas. Is that an avera or no?
It's not an avera because it's his choice. You're not obligated to eat bread. But in my mind, the person is simply stupid. It's the biggest blessing for Parnasa, for all of this Shalom Bayis, for all of these best things. It's in a birchas hamazon. Me personally, I'm not consider myself stupid. I try to stay to eat one meal at least a day with bread. So sometimes so I used to do like my lunch. Now I'm busy at lunchtime, so I switch to the breakfast. So I eat in bread at breakfast time. Why? Not because I want bread. I want to say birchas hamazon. That's the thing. Okay, do I enjoy bread? Okay, it's feeling. I mean, it's good. It's tasty. But my point is to say birchas hamazon. I want the blessing for my home.
I know that in this case, for example, the mitzvah of you shall love HaShem in Krishna, for example, that's a positive. It's a positive commandment. But over here, when you don't say birchas hamazon because the blessings are too much for you, isn't it really going against this mitzvah? Because you care more about too many words for me to say.
It's I see what you said. It is a positive mitzvah. So not performing positive mitzvah if you're not obligated, it's not considered to be a avera. So let's put it this: is it proper? Absolutely not. Is it avera? Also not.
Understood.
So we can put it there. But not to say birchas hamazon. It's like you the whole day. If you read or you hear a lecture about the birchas hamazon, it's the whole day is going to be blessed. You're going to have sustenance. You have to have health and all of these blessings that all of these rabbinical things that a rabbi added. So the best, you ask for the best blessing. What could be better?
Understood.
You understand? And then you do it on over the substance. That's not like a person starts paying for all of these good things. No. That's what HaShem said. That's how rabbis instituted. That's what you do.
Yeah. Tell me now. I have this idea in my hashkafa. I'm not sure if it's right or if it's wrong. Now, sure. Let's say you didn't say Berkis Hamazon. It doesn't count as an avera, but does it change? I think it changes the way you get judged up in Shemaim once you die. Why? Because you showed that you don't want HaShem, right? You don't care enough to do the brachas because you don't want HaShem.
Yeah.
And so HaShem doesn't. He won't care as much about you going to Gan Eden.
Absolutely. I mean, so you showed that you're not appreciative.
Understood.
Yeah. You're saying I want to eat more, but I want to bless less. That's how it looks. So I better stuff my face with 6 eggs or 7 eggs or maybe piece of whatever cheese. But I would have only small blessing instead of say Birchas Hamazon. So for me, like it's so stupid. So cut your time for everything else, but say Birchas Hamazon. Like after some times, like how long is it going to take you? Like 3 minutes, 4 minutes? I don't know if you have special command, maybe 6 minutes. But that's it.
Good. Now,
so don't waste your life. Not to say.
So question goes like this: let's say someone is I don't know, he's really into Torah study, and Berkis Hamazon is a lot for him because he wants to go study Torah. Now, does this count as someone? We'll say it this way. I know he didn't actually bread, but in some sense, doesn't it count as him passing over a mitzvah?
No. Some rabbis say so. First of all, it says that Torah says when you sit around the table, you have to say Torah, right? You learn. You have to say it. So, and some say that even since in Birchas Hamazon there is verses from the Torah. So according to some opinions, when you say Birchas Hamazon, it's like you learn Torah. So you're not losing absolutely. Okay, so let's stop here.
Understand.
Let's just stop. Hold on a second.